Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to sell precious metals. So it's a two-step process. The very first step is to contact any precious metals dealer of your choice in the country and then ask for an invoice or a quote from them. Most clients use the same precious metals dealer that they originally purchased the metals from, but if you want to shop around, you can contact us and we'll send you a precious metals dealer list. The second step in this is to complete a precious metals sell direction letter. That's one of our forms. And to get that form, you'll just go to our website, which is theentrustgroup.com. Then you want to hover over Client Resources, then click Forms. Then down here, you want to click on Sell an Asset. And here you'll see Precious Metals Sell Direction Letter. Click the down arrow, click Download PDF. In section 1, you want to complete your Entrust account information, name, account number, account type, email, phone number. In section 2, you want to enter the precious metals dealer information. If you're unsure, please call the dealer and ask for that information. You want to initial here. In section 3, you want to indicate which metals you're selling. You'll complete that information and make sure you enter the total sale price. In this delivery instructions subsection, this is where you want us to ship the metals to. And again, if you're unsure, just ask the dealer. Scroll down. In section 4, this is asking where the metals are currently being held at. Then you want to initial here. In section 5, it's asking how you want us to send the funds to the dealer. If you're unsure, give them a call and ask. And in section 6, this is how you want to pay those fees. In section 7, you can add a new card. If not, you can leave that blank. And in section 8, sign and date. Now you have a couple options. You can either print out this form, wet ink sign, scan it, email it back to us, or fax it back to us. Or you can also electronically sign using either DocuSign, Dropbox Sign, HelloSign, Dotloop, AuthentiSign, or Sign Now. But you'll need to also include the one-page certificate of completion, which comes from any of these electronic signature platforms. And then you'll send both that one-page document as well as the form to us. And you can either, again, email that right here, preciousmetals@theentrustgroup.com, fax it there, or you can also mail it as well. And that is how you sell precious metals. Thank you.